Hello, I'm Dean Growdon, and I'm the Sheriff of Lassen County. So Barbara Longo, Lassen County's Health and Social Services Director, and I are serving as co-ICs, or incident commanders, on this event. We're serving in unified command. Our primary roles are to manage the event and establish objectives for everyone working in support of this operation. So our Lassen County COVID-19 Incident Command Team has developed an Incident Action Plan, or IAP, and that document is updated on a regular basis, and it's a comprehensive plan that focuses primarily on medical, law enforcement planning and security, and also the community and what services we might need to provide countywide. This plan is developed in partnership with a wide range of agencies from the city, county, the state, and some input from federal agencies like our federal prison and our Army base. The primary partners are the city of Susanville, Lassen County. Lassen Community College has provided us work sites, staffing, and support. California Highway Patrol has people sitting on our incident management team and has been providing support. And CAL FIRE has been a huge partner, giving us lots of support and guidance in setting up this team and how to manage this incident. And this wouldn't be possible with all those partners coming together. But they're all providing us information, and we're all working together to do the best we can for our community. And if you want to see that IAP, you can see it on the Lassen Cares website. And again, that is updated on a regular basis. I want to talk to you about some of the planning that has taken place related to law enforcement and security. Obviously, some of those things stay in my realm or in my realm as sheriff, but obviously they touch, Highway Patrol, City Police Department, correctional facilities, and we're all working together to try to, develop comprehensive plans. Some of the things we've done, particular to our operation on patrol, we've changed our shifts to provide additional hours of coverage and to reduce the overlap of the deputies transitioning shift to shift, because we really, we have a limited number of patrol personnel available, and we want to make sure that we keep them all healthy so they can continue providing those critical safety services in our community. In the jail, we've done a number of different things. We have put some additional low-level offenders on electronic monitoring, just a limited number. We're really controlling access in and out of the jail, and our primary goal is to keep the inmates in the jail healthy. We don't want to impact our local medical system. We're trying to reduce the chances of that occurring. So we're really being proactive, screening all inmates, screening employees, and just, like I said, trying to keep that a healthy population so we don't take those critical hospital beds that are in our county. Another thing we've done in the jail, in the same as part of that effort, is we've established the juvenile hall as a jail annex. We're using it to house adult offenders, and any new arrests that come into our system, they're being booked and then housed there in isolation until we can ensure that they're not COVID-19 positive, because we don't want to infect our population in the jail or our staff in the jail. A couple other things you need to be aware of. One, this is a unique situation we're in. This is affecting every state, every county nationwide, and the mutual aid that's available right now is very limited. So we have to be very self-sufficient, and that drives some of these decisions we've made and some of these plans we've implemented. And in the future, depending on what happens, the only source of mutual aid that is available is the California National Guard. We have not made any requests for their assistance yet. But if it gets to the point where we need them for humanitarian aid, security, if we're having trouble maintaining our jail operations or other things, we might end up calling for the National Guard's assistance. And if we do that, it's just to support our current operations. Because once again, we won't be able to get help from our neighboring counties. Everyone's in this and trying to be self-sufficient in their own counties. So I don't want people to be alarmed if they do end up seeing National Guard come into our county. We'll try to get that information out if that decision's made as soon as possible, but I want people to be aware up front that if we make that request, it's solely to support the current operations that we have. I just want to take a minute to express my sincere appreciation to our community, just every aspect of our community. the schools, our local retailers, those people working in our stores, all those essential employees that are still out keeping our community moving forward, all the people working in the correctional institutions, just across the board. I couldn't be more proud, especially those ones we work closely with, you know, the city, county, all those people coming together just for the good of our community as a whole. I want to add a couple notes too. I want to make sure that, you know, in support of that community, it's important that we all maintain connection with our family members, make sure they're all right, make sure our seniors are all right, checking up on your neighbors, and really taking care of the kids that are out of school. You know, this has been, it's going to have a big impact on them, and we want to make sure we're there to support them and provide them guidance and help them through this challenging time that we're facing.